Hmong đấy, rất là
the meow of China, and meow, like I said earlier, is a category or an ethnicity that our Hmong people fall under in China. So we want to portray and we want to stand proud that we are also part of China as well. Thank you. Oh, sorry. These Angie Vu and Ken Chang. Okay, these are our volunteers. I really do want to acknowledge them as well. And our Hmong Shua or Hmong Chinese outfits are represented by Nancy Bang and Annie Vu. These are the southern region of, these outfits are from southern region of China, and you may have probably noticed that they are beaded, and along Vietnam in the next outfit, you'll notice that they also are beaded too because of the influence that they live really close to each other. These two outfits are from Vietnam, and the one on the left is yellow. She is representing the flower home, and the one on the And then the one on the right is Diana Hurt. She is representing the Black Hmong of Vietnam. April Hurt and Jasmine Hurt are representing the Hmong Thailand. So they are wearing the traditional outfits and also the modern hats. And then we have also here on the right is Ha Vang. She is the Hmong Mopeng, which is the Green Hmong of the Mopeng region in Laos. And on the left is Danny, is Danny, and he wears a traditional Hmong Sayabari or Hmong blue outfit. And we also have another set of outfits from the Sayabari region of Laos. These are the green Hmong or Hmong black blue, and they are labeled that because on their skirts, majority of it is black. In this outfit, we have Julie Vang and Phong Cheng. Both are representing the Hmong lane of Hmong Sing Quan region of Laos, or the Green Hmong of the Sing Quan region in Laos. And these two are the white Hmong from the Sing Quan region. The difference is that white Hmong, they can either wear white skirt or pants. And the green Hmong, they wear very colorful skirts. So there's a difference between the dialects. So the white dialect, they wear white skirts or black pants like we see here. And in the previous outfit of the lady from St. Quan also, she is wearing a colorful skirt, symbolizing the green Hmong. Okay, Destiny Her and Toby Zong are representing the Hmong Shay Plong or Hmong Lo from Lo Pa Phron. Oh, sorry, Arthur, sorry. Okay, Destiny Her and Arthur are representing the Hmong Lo or Hmong Shay Plong because of the apron in front. There is one single strip of fabric. Angel Vu and Leiva are representing the Hmong Sai Ba from San region. And the Hmong Sai Ba, they live throughout Laos in certain regions, and we will showcase that how it's a little different in another region. This is also a Hmong Sai Ba or the striped Hmong because of the stripes on their arm from the Sayabari region of Laos. And this is represented by Jenny Yang and Toby Zong. And then we have our very energetic youth of the United States and Hmong-inspired outfit. We see the green and red sash on as a skirt, and we see the money bags along with just the white collar shirt in a formal wear. And they are Aaron Zong and Richard. And these two lovely ladies are Amy Her and Crystal Cheng. Crystal Cheng is wearing a Hmong sister shop outfit. They are a modern Hmong trend outfit production based in Thailand. And on the other outfit, the purple one is actually a handmade outfit to fit into the modern times, to be lightweight. And then here we have Eva Cheng, Phoenix Tao, and Violet Tao. They are the striped Hmong of the modern day. Their outfit is actually sewn by their grandma. So thank you, and we hope you really enjoyed this show.